Facebook still comes pre-installed on a Samsung Galaxy A20. It's a third-party application, but it's embedded in the firmware. When it crashes, the problem could be with the app, but it is also possible that it's an issue with the firmware. Hey guys, this is RJ from thecellguide.com. Today I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A20 shows Facebook keeps stopping error. First solution: force restart your phone. The very first thing that you have to do when dealing with a problem like this is the forced reboot, especially if it's the first time that you encountered this issue. It is because the Facebook keeps stopping error can be triggered by a minor firmware issue, or even a glitch. The forced restart is a simulated battery removal that refreshes your phone's memory, as well as reloads all apps and services. Once the phone has successfully restarted, open the app to see if Facebook keeps stopping error still shows up. Second solution: run your phone in safe mode. It is possible that a third-party application is causing Facebook to crash. Being the most popular social network, many apps use the app's services for sharing and other things. Therefore, it is possible that one of those apps have an issue and affected Facebook. That's the reason why you need to do this procedure. Third solution: clear the cache and data of Facebook. If the problem isn't due to a minor firmware issue or glitch, then it can be an issue with the app itself. The next thing that you have to do is reset Facebook, and it means to clear its cache and data. This will bring the app back to its default configuration, delete all its cache and data files, and then replace them with new ones. If it's just an issue with the app, then this procedure should be able to fix it. Fourth solution: back up your files and reset your phone. A reset can always fix any app-related problem as long as the firmware has not been modified in any way. In this case, you will be able to get rid of the Facebook keeps stopping error by resetting your phone, but make sure to create a copy of your important files and data, especially the ones that are saved in your phone's internal storage. Those files will be deleted during the reset process, and you may not be able to retrieve them after that. That's it. We hope this video is helpful and resolve your device's issue. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Samsung Galaxy A20 videos in the future.